Hey everybody, Danielle Dorian and Vanya Gluhick from your Georgian Bay Dream Team. We are here at 191 Desroches Trail, your private oasis, only steps to beautiful beaches on Georgian Bay. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. There's a very large family room in the lower level, as well as an unfinished area where you could add a couple more bedrooms, a bathroom. The possibilities are endless. So if you want to know more about this house, please view the tour and enjoy the tour, and call Danielle at 705-528-3133 or visit our website at georgianbaydreamteam.com.
Don't miss this one. Reserve your spot on the beach today.